Oh, those are my critter scarers. Let me turn those off for a moment. We are getting ready to water the garden and pick some vegetables. I see some red tomatoes finally. I'm so excited. And I see some peppers. Actually, let me turn the critter thing off. That's how you turn it off. I am going to make spaghetti. So I need some peppers out of my garden, and I see banana peppers. I have some here, and I have some down here, and I see some tomatoes. And also I have some basil, and I am going to use a little bit of fresh basil. Now I have some sage, but I'm going to take that sage and I'm going to dry it out and use that later. Oh my gosh, look at my eggplant. I don't have any flowers yet, but the eggplant is just growing wildly now. At first it wouldn't grow. It's looking good. Something came back here and ate my peppers. So something likes peppers. It ate up the pepper plant. So looks like I'm going to need another critter scarer. It hasn't touched any of my other veggies yet. But it sure did eat up that black pepper. Can't believe something ate a pepper. As many mothballs as I have down up in here. Ooh. I think they got in here again too. Let me see. Looks like rat poo. Ew. Ew. That's disgusting. Okay. Well, let me do this. Because some of those plants will grow, I gotta put some mothballs in here too. That should keep them out. Those are my little cups I made and put mothballs in them. Hopefully that will keep them out. Hopefully. Those are my turnips. Hopefully some turnips will be in the bottom of there. I'm not touching anything over there. And this was my cauliflower. They were definitely tearing that up. Maybe I need to put a cup back in there with mothballs in it. Let me do that. I might need that elsewhere. Let's push this cup down in here. I got so many mothballs hanging around down on the ground. I'll just pick a couple up down here because I just threw some new ones down the other day. My bush beans are actually trying to grow back. Oh, yeah, I see some beans on here. And some flowers. Yes, they are trying to grow back. Great. Okay. So now, let me water my plants again. So, I'm going to run into my tomato plant. This is a tomato plant, and it has tomatoes on it. It has flowers, and there are some tomatoes right in there, nestled in there. I think there's some more somewhere else. But this is a really huge tomato plant. Oh, there's some babies right there. And we will see what happens. This is my eggplant right here. Not my eggplant, but my sweet potato plant. These are tomato plants, but I don't know what happened to those. Oh, I fell into this, so I don't think this is going to produce any tomatoes at all. I literally fell into that plant. This is my cucumber plant, and it kept getting attacked, but it keeps trying to survive. Tomorrow, I'm going to have plenty of time. I'm going to prune these brown leaves off, and then move the other leaves that are on here that are good and shape them up onto this right here, this trellis right here. And the way I catch my rainwater is with this tub. I don't have a rain barrel, but I have a rain tub. So I just soak up my water in my water flower, whatever you want to call it. I don't know what you want to call it. I just woke up, so I'm going to leave it at that. All right. It's time to water the garden. Motorcycles awfully loud. I don't put a whole lot of water in here because this, I'm sure, holds a lot of water. All right, I shall continue. So I picked some tomatoes, a jalapeno, a banana, pepper, and some fresh basil from my garden. And this is going to be for my spaghetti sauce. I am so excited. I am finally able to pick from my garden. Yoo-hoo! Woohoo! Yes! Y'all just don't know. I have struggled and struggled and struggled to keep critters out of my garden, and finally able to get something from it for the first time. Thank you, and can I get an amen? And I will see you all in the next video.